Lignite is the mineral coal with the lowest degree of coalification. A brownish-black, dull, low-grade coal intermediate between peat and bituminous coal. Lignite ball pressing machine comparison of easy materials, such as metal magnesium smelting, magnesium ore, magnesia, lignite, etc. All kinds of powder material pressing effect is obvious. Extraordinary effect. When we use, we should pay attention to the material is not allowed to have any metal, otherwise, it will damage the surface of the roll. Feeding time to adopt adjustable speed screw feeder. Observe the amount of return adjustment of new material supply. Before feeding, it is necessary to make the machine whole run for several weeks before starting to fill the material, to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing overload of the reducer and motor, making the roller shaft of the ball press broken.